Welcome back, everyone. You may be having an issue where for some reason your specific iPhone is not installing any application. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The first thing I would recommend doing is to actually make sure that the application that you're downloading is, first of all, still on the App Store, that there's no issues with it, but also you want to make sure you're connected to a good network connection. As you can see right now, my network is actually a little spotty. Sometimes if you try to download an application and you try to get on your main page or whatever, there can be some issues where the application will not download because of a poor internet connection. So what you want to do, make sure you're connected to a good internet connection or a good cell connection or whatever, and that will probably end up fixing that number one complaint and the number one problem from a lot of people. Now let's say you go ahead and actually fill this through and it seems like everything's perfectly fine, but you're still running into some issues. Well, the next thing I would recommend doing is to actually make sure that the application that you're downloading is still in the App Store and that there's no issues with that. Also, sometimes if you try to download a bunch of applications at one time, you can actually have some delay when downloading an application. So if you're downloading 50 applications at one time, let's say I click here and I just download all these applications at one time, well, it's probably going to be slow no matter what. So you're going to have to wait until the applications download. And I've been in a ton of situations where the application that I have, pretty much you just have to wait until it downloads. It's very weird, I will never understand it, but you pretty much just have to wait until that specific application downloads, even if it's paused. It may look like it's not downloading or something, but if you just give it like 10 seconds, it'll randomly download. Now, if that doesn't fix it either, the next thing you can do is to actually update your iPhone. So you want to make your way over to your iPhone settings like this. You want to go and scroll down to General, which is right here. You then want to go and click on Software Update, which is right here. And all you want to do is update your iPhone. If there is a more recent version of update that you have, like this one, then you just have to go ahead and update your phone. And that's pretty much a main way to fix it too. That's, in my experience, something I've had to do like 30,000 times. And sometimes just updating it will probably end up fixing it. Now, if you do that and it works, then you're pretty much done. However, if it's still not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to actually go through and probably restart your iPhone. So go ahead and hold down those buttons to restart your device. Go ahead and close it out. But what I would recommend doing then is to pretty much just try downloading some other apps. Usually, you can download some other applications and you should be good. If it still doesn't work, you can try, getting out of iCloud and going back in. But ultimately, I would probably just give it a day. But ultimately, I would just give it probably like another couple minutes, try again, and that may end up fixing it for you. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.